Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8th, video number 62, Comparing Quantities, Section B, Tough. Let's start. The cost of a vehicle is 1,75,000 if its value depreciates at a rate of 20% per annum. Then total depreciation after 3 years was, it means here. What is depreciation firstly? Depreciation means, suppose logically see, if you bring a bike today for 1,75,000 or any machine and go for selling after 3 years, will that machine be sold at the same rate or at a lower rate? Of course at a lower rate. Why? Because there is a depreciation, wear and tear, there are various problems in that machinery which occur in 3 years. Because of that the value decreases. So that decrease is known as depreciation. Now there are two ways of calculating depreciation. In fact, there are many ways of calculating depreciation, but generally used are straight line and reducing balance method. So straight line means it's a clear straight, means equal amount of depreciation each year, and here reducing, initially the depreciation is more and then the depreciation is less. Only remember this much. You need not remember anything else because that is for higher studies. Now why did I explain you that? Because here it's given that the depreciation is at 20% each year. Means each year it is reducing by 20%. Means what? Suppose if today the cost is 100, next year it will be by reduced by 20%, means it will be 80. Now next to next year it won't be 60. It will be 20% on 80, right? So it will be 16 then. So that's why the depreciation goes on reducing. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.